Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is just Kato and I here today on this cold winter day, and I wanted to share my most recent purchases from my Vegas trip. I know this video is coming a little bit late. I just have, my chest cold has been going strong once again, I know. So I finally feel like I can form sentences a little bit better this time. So let's just go ahead and get started. She smooched the bag, now she claimed it. Come here. Stop being a little turkey. Okay, so I'm just going to go in a random order here, not of how I purchased them or anything, but we will start with my Barney's purchase. So I went to Barney's in the Venetian, and I picked up a perfume. You guys know that I like to purchase perfumes while I'm on my trips, kind of like a memory thing. So I will have a perfume collection coming for you guys soon. But anyway, I went to Barney's. I had the most fabulous experience with Gary, his name is counter manager of cosmetics. So Gary Holstein, thank you so much. It was amazing. If you guys go to Barney's in the Venetian, ask for Gary. He's awesome. I probably spent close to an hour there trying different scents. I told him what I was looking for, what I had on my list that I wanted to check out, and I ended up with something completely different. But anyway, so I ended up picking up a scent from Byredo, and this is in Fluorescence, and this is super amazing, you guys. This is the box. I got a little chocolate on there. Whoops. But this scent is incredible. So this is what the bottle looks like. I ended up picking up the 50 ml so that I could take it on the plane. Dang, I was going to read you the notes. All I know is that, so I was looking at La Tulip or something like that because I smelt that in Arizona last year and I fell in love with it. So I sprayed that on one arm, and then I sprayed this he recommended on the other arm, and instantly for me I smelled Lilia's Valley, and that is like my favorite scent ever. So when I smell this, that's what I smell too. So I wear this like non-stop every day in Vegas, and since I've been back I absolutely love it. So I'm really excited. I finally have another Byredo, or a Byredo perfume in my collection. I did sell the last one I had, so I'm excited to finally have one in my collection. So while we were also in the Venetian, I went to a store called Optica or Optics or something like that. And I picked up a pair of sunglasses. My husband said that I needed some, and I was like, well, yeah, I do, because it's bright in Vegas, and I don't have any. So, like I said, we went to, let me look at my receipt real quick. I don't have the bag for it, but Optica at the Venetian. And the guy who helped me was beyond amazing. I think the customer service in Vegas is like unlike any other place. I swear, everywhere I've gone, everyone was so incredibly nice. And I was just very happy with the customer service that I got. So I was looking on the receipt. He didn't give me his card. Maybe he did. Let me look. No, that's not it. Anyway, he gave me on the receipt, his first name starts with a C. I don't know. But he was really awesome, so I highly recommend going to that store. I looked all over for sunglasses, and then I saw these there, and I kind of fell in love. And so I ended up picking up a pair of sunglasses that come in this velvet case. Do you guys know what they are? And I picked up these Gucci sunglasses. I am just so in love with these, you guys. They're so awesome. They're so comfortable on my face. And I love the little detailing that it has on the side here. I really, really, really love these. So they come with a little green velvet, satin bag, which I usually just carry these in, like in my purse. Then it comes with a little dust or a little wipey rag thing. And then here's the case, which is really cool. And then also it comes with like a little care booklet. So I'm not going to put that there, but Anyway, so yeah, I got some sunglasses. Okay, so another store I ended up going to was Hermes, and I picked up a little something from them, as I always do when I go to Vegas, just because we don't have a store near me. I always have to make sure that I stop by here. So, this bag is pretty big for what it is, so don't get too excited. But, again, like I said, these are reveals. I've worn everything. But it came in this box here with this ribbon. And then I got my receipts. And the guy here, I feel like I have his business card somewhere. Hold on. He was so nice. Yeah, his name's Steve. And he was at the Hermes in Crystals. Steve. Yep. He was so incredibly nice. You know how, like, sometimes, I don't know, you'll go to Hermes and they can kind of tell that you're not, like, going there to buy a Birkin and they just don't give you the best customer service. He was so helpful and thorough, and he gave me a ton of, like, samples of perfumes and lotions and stuff. Which, real quick, before I get into what I purchased, I want to tell you guys, the whole time I was in Vegas, I forgot lotion, and he gave me 2 of these boxes, which have a lotion and a body wash in, and this is in the Eau de Orange Vert, I don't know, whatever. And I used both of the lotions. They were so amazing. So now I have shower gel left, but it looks like so. The lotion, you guys, is one of my favorites. I'm so excited. I'm going to buy it off Nordstrom because I was going to buy it there, but it was like $68, and then for shipping was $15 because it was too big to bring on a plane. So I was like, I'll just order it when I get home. So I'm going to do that for sure. Okay, so anyway, let's get back into my purchase. It comes in this cute little orange box here. And then when you take off the lid, you have the little velvet dust bag, and I ended up picking up the Happy H bracelet. I think it's called the 3 Happy H, I don't know, 3 something, because it goes around 3 times. So I got it in black with the rose gold hardware, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on. So it's a really long piece of leather, and then you just wrap it around. I posted a picture on Instagram of this just in a different color, just to kind of show you guys. That was the one I was initially drawn to, but I wanted something more neutral, something that I could wear like year round. So I ended up picking up this one, and I really, really adore it. I have chubby wrists. You guys know, obviously I'm plus size. So these bracelets work really well for it. They're super adjustable as well. So here's on the tightest, and then on the loosest, but then there's on the loosest. So, and you could always like wind them twice around, but then they'd be really big around. But anyway, so yeah, I got that bracelet, and I'm really excited. I love it. I love the rose gold with the black. That was from Hermes. The last item that I picked up was actually from Dior. Dior is another store that I make sure to go to whenever I'm in Vegas, just because, again, we don't have one here, unfortunately. So this is the cute little bag it came in. And here is, that. Here's my receipt. I love these long receipts. I think these are cool. No, kiddo. Oh, she's clawing my ribbon. No. Okay. So it came with ribbon around the box. What is that? Ooh. And then it came, the little bag, they even put like a little bit of tissue. Like, look how fancy they wrapped the tissue. It's so adorable. But anyway, okay, so here is the box. And it came with tissue and a little sticker that says Dior. And then inside is, you guys will probably already know what I got. Looks like so. I love their little dust bags. They're so cute. And then I picked up the tribal earrings in gold. Hopefully you guys can see. I just love them. These are the ganache ones. So this is like a big hollow circle and then it has the ganache pattern on it. These are what I've been looking for everywhere, you guys. I always check Fashion File or, you know, whatever website for these. I love this. I think it is so beautiful. So quick story behind these. As soon as I saw them, I knew I needed them. So I ended up purchasing them, and I asked her, well, before I purchased them, I asked if they had silver because I would prefer like a shiny silver. And she said, no, this is all they had. So I ended up purchasing them anyway because the gold is like stunning. And then about 20 minutes later, I got these at the Dior in the Bellagio. And so we went over to Caesars. I got a call like 10-15 minutes later saying that she just received a shipment and they got the silver ones in. And I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe it. And she's like, I know they're final sale, but if you come up, you know, today or tomorrow, I'll hold them for you and we can switch them out because I know you want the silver. And I was like, okay. So we went over there and I looked at them and they were like I don't say ruthenium, but they were like a really flat silver. They weren't shiny at all, and there was, I don't know, I looked at these gold ones and I just like kind of fell in love with them, even over the silver, and I wear silver all the time, you guys know that. So I just went with the gold and haven't looked back ever since. So that is everything I picked up in Vegas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you real soon. Bye!